Today I'm going to teach you how to make an arrowhead. This is one of my best and easiest planes to ever do that flies over 100 feet. Let's get straight into it. First, grab your choice of paper. My choice of paper is green and you have to fold it an inch wide and then flip it over and then fold the corners as you do for a bunch of planes. And the next thing that you're going to do is pull this all over to this corner. And then you make sure that these corners are perfectly aligned with this angle of paper. And now you're going to fold corners like this to make creases. Just make creases. And then what you're going to do is open it up and then fold this all the way over here and then pull back, and then you're going to follow these creases to make an aligned joint with this line, and then do it on the same thing on the opposite side. The next thing you're going to do is open this up, and then you're going to make an aligned triangle on this crease we have just left below. And then just do the same on the opposite side. And now you're going to fold this aligned on this line. Great. Now do the same on the opposite side. You're going to force it through. It's going to be a little tricky. Just like this. And then you're going to take this end. Then you will notice there's a gap. And then you're going to slide this through to this pocket right here. Then once you got that done, fold this paper longwise and then fold it like this and then do the same on the opposite side. And voila, you got your arrowhead.